students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fit and fine. As you have know that we have completed lesson 5, green plants. So today we are going to do one activity related to that chapter. What is this, beta? This is your Eureka file. Okay, all of you have this scrapbook, this Eureka file. Now write your name here, class, section, all the things. Write your name here also. After that, your first activity is from lesson 5, that is green plants. So you have to write here lesson 5 green plants activity 1 and mention here date. ओके मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ आपने कैसे लिखना है. लेसन 5 ग्रीन प्लांट्स. यू कैन यूज एनीथिंग. Date here and activity 1. Different types of leaves. Okay. What do you do, beta? What will you do? Take different type of leaves. You also know the name of that leaves, beta. Okay, different type of leaves. This is tulsi leaf. This is jasmine, rose leaf, people leaf. Okay, so take different type of leaves and paste it here one by one. I will show you how you have to paste the leaf. Take the Fevicol. Now this is your rose plant leaf. Take this leaf, apply some glue here and paste it here like this. Okay, and write the name here, rose plant. Okay, after that take another leaf, that is tulsi. So paste it here and this is the way you paste it. This is tulsi leaf. Okay, tulsi plant या tulsi leaf. Similarly, take another one, that is jasmine. You notice now कि all the plant have different type of leaves, but the part of the leaves are same. So here, in this way, you know which plant have what type of leaves. This is jasmine leaf. Okay, paste it here and write the name here. Okay, in this way you paste different type of leaves here in this your Eureka file. Okay, beta, and write the name also. Write the name under the leaf. Okay, that whether this leaf is from which plant. Okay, this is your first activity. Hope you will enjoy this activity. Okay. Yes, beta. Our next activity is, that is from your book. This is your activity. To prove that water moves up through the stem. कैसे water, how water moves up through the stem. From the roots, from the stem, water move to all part of the plant. We will show in this activity. So in this activity, the material required is this is the white flowers. This is white flower. Transparent 2 glasses. Fill with water. In 1 glass, add some color. That color, it is of your choice. It may be red, it may be green, it may be pink. Okay. Take 2 glasses. 1 fill with water, and in second glass add some color also. Okay. Now what will you do? You just take this leaf and cut it from the bottom. Just slightly tilted. ऐसे आपने slightly tilted आपने look at this stem of this flower. ठीक है, and keep this flower in this glass for about 4 to 5 hours. Okay. After 1 day, you will observe that your flower becomes slightly pink. Slightly pink. Look at this stem. Okay. The water moves through this stem to the flowers. Okay. In this way, stem take the water from roots, and with the help of stem, water transport to all part of the plant. So this activity is that. The conclusion of this activity is that with the help of stem, water transport to all part of your plant. Okay, beta, do this at your home. Students, how are you all? You enjoy the activity now? Now, continue with the study. Today, we are going to start our new lesson, lesson 6, adaptation in plants. Okay. So, today I just give you intro of this chapter. Before starting this chapter, I just want to ask, where do you live? Yes, beta, where do you live? You say you live in house, you live in home, you live in a colony, you live in a society. So, the place where you live, you grow, where your family member live, that place is called your habitat. Okay. The place where you live, you grow, where your family member live, where you enjoy your life, that place is called habitat. In the similar way, where the place where the plant live, the plant grow, that place is called plant habitat. Okay, plant or animals habitat. Okay, so habitat is the place where a plant or animal live, grow. Okay, so this is the habitat. Now, in this chapter, the first word is adaptation. Anybody know what is adaptation? What is the meaning of adaptation? Yes? No? You must have heard this word first time. Adaptation, that means adjustment. You know now, in your family members, all are having different natures. Some are very strict, some are very lenient. And you adjust all the members in your family. Okay, so this adjustment is called adaptation. In the similar way, in our country or in our area, there are different type of land. There are different type of weather. Some places are very hot, some places are very cold. So the plant live in that places have some special features that help them to adjust that plants to live there. So this is called adaptation. So in this chapter, in this session, we just know the meaning of these two words. First is habitat. Habitat is a place where plant live, grow. And adaptation is the features, the ability of a plant or a feature of a plant that help plant to live in that particular place. Okay, so hope all of you understand these points. What is habitat and what is adaptation? Yes, beta. I give some example how plants adapt themselves from the surrounding. First example is cactus. Cactus. You know na cactus. You read this plant about in the previous chapter that cactus have leaves, but their leaves reduce to spines. So the leaves that reduce to spine help the cactus plant in desert. Cactus plant live in desert. You know that the cactus plant live in desert habitat. So to live in that place, to live in that warm or hot places where there is very less water, so cactus plant leaves reduce to spine and help to prevent loss of water. In this way, cactus adapt themselves in the desert. Okay, this is rose plant. Rose plant, you know na, here in rose plant there are some thorns. This is thorns. Okay, पता है ना आपको कांटे thorns. There are some thorns that help rose plant, that protect the plants so that no animals, nobody eats that plant, no animals eat that plant. Okay, so in this way, many plants adapt themselves by these special features. Hope you will understand. Today we have done two topics, adaptation and habitat. Okay, adaptation and habitat. So your homework is do these two activities and read all the content, this content or these topic here on the page 64. Habitat, adaptation, how do plant adapt themselves? Okay beta, thank you, have a nice day.